Hey honey, I don't know, just thought I'd make another video. I love you, and I'm really sorry about everything. I hope you're having fun at your dinner right now. I miss you. Wish I could talk to you. Wish I could be with you today of all days. But we can't, so it's no big deal. It's great seeing you today. Lunch was fun. I'm glad you enjoyed it. I have to talk to you about some stuff later, so I love you. Hope you have a great night.